Beneath the calm, murky waters of the African river, a prehistoric monster is waiting. Armed with the strongest bite force on land, it rules this domain.
But carrying such immense power comes with a biological cost. Its teeth are lethal weapons, but they are vulnerable to parasites and decay. To survive, the monster must seek an unlikely alliance. From the skies, a tiny, fearless creature arrives.
The Egyptian Plover. A bird that looks entirely out of place in this danger zone.
One snap of these jaws means instant death.
Yet, an invisible, ancient contract binds them.
The tiny dentist begins its meticulous work.
For the bird, this is a nutrient-rich, effortless feast. For the crocodile, it is vital medical health care. Every single tooth must be meticulously inspected.
The bird ventures deeper into the cavern of sharp ivory.
Navigating a slippery, dangerous terrain requires extreme balance.
For the apex predator, this is a moment of pure vulnerability.
Nothing goes to waste in the African savanna. The giant jaws remain locked open like an ancient statue.
Blood-sucking leeches are a constant annoyance for the reptile.
But it fully accommodates its tiny surgeon.
Even the most exposed areas are sanitized.
The monster enters a trance-like state of relaxation.
The intricate dental work is nearly complete.
A perfect picture of wild symbiosis. But the riverbank is a highly contested battleground. A highly territorial hippopotamus approaches.
The crocodile is in a deep, vulnerable sleep.
This is when the tiny dentist becomes the ultimate security alarm.
Alerted by its tiny sentinel, the monster awakens instantly.
Faced with a 3,000-pound angry herbivore, the predator calculates the risk.
The hippo is a 3,000-pound tank, and it wants this territory.
But the crocodile does not yield easily. A lethal clash is imminent.
The hippo refuses to back down. In the wild, survival often means calculating the risks. In the wild, survival often means knowing when to retreat. The monster vanishes, leaving no trace behind.
The victor claims the muddy bank. Further down the river, life continues its delicate dance. The canopy above is just as active as the waters below. Our tiny hero has found a safe sanctuary.
The river provides for all who master its rules.
And the apex predator returns to its silent realm.
Another brutal, beautiful day in the savannah comes to a close.
This flawless alliance guarantees survival for both.
A perfect evolutionary contract, written in the brutal code of the wild.
Thank you for exploring the wild with CurioLab Hub.
If you love wildlife secrets, hit the subscribe button.
See you in the next documentary.